In today's video, I will give you instructions on how to effectively remove the ransomware called Parker. The video will demonstrate to you what exactly this particular ransomware does with the files and how it affects these files. The purpose of any ransomware is to encrypt the files and force people into paying the ransom to get the files recovered. So now you can clearly see that there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware called Parker may be easily injected into the system. And because of that, the files will be then encrypted, and people will not be able to use the data anymore. As I said, the ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration. So when you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that it is not possible to open the file because a special Parker extension has been added. The ransomware also places this ransomware note mentioning that indeed the files are encrypted and that the victims need to pay the ransom for file restoration. Well, you shouldn't pay the ransom, of course, because, as I said, you may simply waste your money because of that. We recommend you to check the task manager of your computer first of all. If you discover any suspicious processes running in the background, terminate them. Secondly, we recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program. Initially the application is in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. In your particular case, the program will probably first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then the program will give you the summary of all the threats that were revealed during the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on the excellent feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This particular feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is, of course, the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the information about threats, their locations. We recommend you to upgrade to premium to delete all of them altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your files always safe and secure, and to keep your computer free of any other threats.